Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do a cactus. It's super easy, you can follow along with us. Bring it on to Vinny.
Okay, let's get started. Alright guys, so today we're going to start out with the cactus pot. So we're going to start out with a curved line. And then we're going to do 2 straight lines on each side. Then we're going to do the same curved line down there. We're going to do 2 slightly diagonal lines. And then 1 more slightly curved line. So we're going to have 3 cactuses. We're going to make the small one in the middle, which is like a really long upside down U shape. Then we're going to do the second one, a little bit bigger than the first one. Alright, so the final cactus has a little flower on the left of it. So we're just going to make a simple flower. So you can start out with a little circle. Alright, so then we're going to make little teardrop shapes around that circle. We're going to make a line connected to the flower, and we're just going to make another upside down U shape. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in and add some details to the cactus now that we have the basic shape down. I'm going to use my gel pen to add in the details. Alright, so now I just added in all the details, all the pricklies, and now I'm going to connect the back of the pot to the cactus. And then I'm just going to shade it in to add some definition. Alright, so now it's time to color.
And you're going to do it in fast mode. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay guys, so we're done. The cactus looks perfect. The cactus looks perfect. What color did you color your flower? I did mine pink. Wow, yours looks good. I hope you hit like and subscribe and click on all of our videos.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.